What the heck is up, guys? We're back on the YouTube. It's Sunday. You already know what's going on. Stay smiling. We got some activities, and this video is going to be all over the place. For those of you who wanted a little how-to on how to paint your tins, that's coming right up. We also got some Pitbike activities, as well as some Harley activities, as well as some Harley building activities. So just wait, stay tuned. If you like this content, make sure to like and subscribe to support the channel. I'd really appreciate it. We got some big news coming. It's only 2 weeks until we head to Arizona. We're gonna be getting a bunch of clips while we're down there. We're gonna be getting a bunch of videos, a bunch of vlogs. That is some Chad fashion YouTube right there. So stay tuned, make sure to check in and watch the rest of this video to see all of the shenanigans we got up to this week, because I quit my job. I got a new job. And I'm gonna come out with a video about that actually for a full explanation on why I quit working at Harley Davidson. So, you guys are gonna get the inside scoop. Peace! We got a slot car machine for the shop. VHS and DVD player.
There's a bunch of pieces to it. I think everything's in there, but if it doesn't work, can I bring it back?
It is real stuff like this.
So, went through all of Pop's old DVDs and bought a DVD player at the Valley Village, and yeah, the shop's all set up. We're doing a quick Scotch Brite on here before we do a final clear. Traylin's holding down the fort with the spicy noodles, and I don't know what you do. Just a scratch you put in it. Nice shirt. Wetting down these floors. Ready for a final clear on these tins. And Jake is stoked. Got the final clear laid out on these. Looking pretty good. There's a little bit of orange peel on them, but one, it's a stunt bike, and two, that's what the final polish is for. So I'd say these look pretty good for a backyard shop paint job. I'm stoked. Fuck. Damn. We got all sorts of sick DVDs out here. We got the slot car track going in the shop. How unreal is that? And the Evo is finally going back together. This thing's gonna be so sick when it's all done. Oh, boys! The shop is fully initiated. We got slot cars, we got motorcycles. Oh. Oh! 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 I think it's safe to say that the shop just got some serious upgrades in it. It's a mess right now, but come on. This is unreal, boys. This is unreal. Oh! We got the track all fucking elevated up out here, boys. We got high bank turns. Left, right, easy. Holy cow.
You didn't put me back on, asshole. It's okay.
Oh! Whoa! 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 So Jake got his frickin' cruisy K-bar, the tin's painted, and the bike is ready to go back together now, bud.
Almost done.
Almost done. Feeling good about it. Got the new Amazon headlight we're about to slap on too and get this thing up and running and maybe do some sliding around on a Sunday. Pit bikes and Harleys or what? Oh! Idiot.
Get in touch.
Couple of bikes that are actually together
Kind of.
for once. Nice. Oh, Josh's on the CRF because he's a higher budget, cooler guy than I am. Starbucks, dude? Seriously? Holy. So we're at the Sandlot here, and the pit bikes, I mean, Josh has got some crazy tires on his. But the pit bikes don't do a hot in the sand. Oh my god! You just gotta be pinned. Just fucking licked right out. Oh, he's coming in hot. Oh, the 110's starving for the energy. Where's he going? Oh, right over the berm. Nice, right on, buddy. Couple little hill climbs for the boys. Aim for the bushes. How's this for a little adventure? Are we urban or are we enduro right now in the 110s? Come on, this is so sick. You know, I've lived in this area my whole life, and I used to mountain bike here as a young buck, but never really thought about taking pit bikes out here and didn't know all this even really existed anymore. I thought it had all been taken over by these industrial buildings in this area, but it seems like there's still quite a bit left to explore out here. So we're gonna find out where it takes us today.
Uh-oh.
Blue chain, got the sticky and the icky. Come on, bud, come on. Yeah, your chain. Oh! It's pretty impressive what these little 110s can do, can't lie. Can't lie. He's up there. Where is he dropping in? Oh. Come on.
It's been a while since I released it. No.
Oh, come on, Alec. Oh.
It's broken, dude. Oh, that'll help.